Smoke until a stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, heartless like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel I'm dying slow. I tell you all that.
What is happening, my dogs? My name is Madison and I'm the auction dog, and today I'm at the auction, and I'm bringing you guys along with me because there is it's not necessarily, I mean, it is a special car to me, may not be to everybody else, but dude, this thing, I'm looking at it right now, and these don't come through the auction very often, and we're gonna try to take a crack at this thing tomorrow. But boy, check this freaking thing out, dude.
Last year.
Wham. 2004, I think it's a 4. It's either 04 or 05. Yeah, it's a 2004 BMW M3, and I can't remember if that's Silverstone or Tiag, but this is a really nice car, dude. 103,000 miles. Freaking A. Black interior, 6-speed manual. Dude. Wow. That thing is so nice. 109,000 miles. Bone stock. I called the company that's actually has this thing here. They said that they took it in on trade from an older couple, and they just thought they were done driving an old car, is what they said. And I laughed. I'm like, that is hilarious to me, you know? It's like, this is the freaking pinnacle of M3s, if you ask me, as far as being straight 6 manual, you know? Everything after that's V8 or turbo or whatever else, but this car is like, dude, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. 6 owners, no accidents, and absolutely freaking mint front to back, dude. And I'm freaking driving this thing. I was so looking forward to coming here today to look at this car over, you know. Where's the keyhole? That's weird. Look, there's no keyhole. How the hell do you unlock the car if you don't have a clicker? Probably from the trunk. That's odd. That's odd. I've never noticed that before. Every E46 I've ever had has had a freaking keyhole right there. So that's pretty weird. The interior is so nice, dude. Look at this, dude. The seats are so nice. E46s, if anybody's ever owned oh, that's pretty typical. Look at the armrest. But if anybody who's watching this has ever owned one of these cars, you know as well as I do that the interiors just basically fall apart in them. You know, just the leather usually goes to shit, and like they hold up okay. They hold up better than E36s do, but there's a lot of weird issues with the interiors in these cars. Dude, S54, no loom on that wiring, not very good, but everything looks really tidy, man. Oh man, yeah, silver grau metallic, so it's not Silverstone or Tiag, it's actually silver grau. Dude, insane. And it just looks really well, and it's actually really well documented. There was like 60 or 70 entries into the Carfax for this car, so it's quite clean, really well documented. The 6 owners kind of brings the rating down on it. Wow, look at the trunk, dude. This thing is freaking spotless, bro. What is this doing tomorrow? It's probably doing more than I can pay for it, but I mean, 10, 12, worth it. 10, 12 is freaking worth it. If I can get this car for 10 grand or 12,000, it'd be freaking amazing, you know? But dude, I am gonna look this thing over real quick and kind of do my dealer work with it, and start it, you know, check the oil, check all the fluids and stuff, and then I will check back in with you guys, and I'm gonna drive it somewhere and we'll do a nice little review on it. But dude, this thing is so sick, man. Holy crap. All right, so everything with the E46 is checking out. I mean, the interior's got some flaws. The seat's coming apart right there, which is really typical for E46s because the way you sit in them. Obviously the steering wheel's got a blemish. Everything under the hood looks really good, which is good. And I'm gonna check the function of the convertible top right now, which is quite important, obviously. These are my favorite cars. Oh yeah, motor sounds great. That's the first start. Pretty cold. It's calling for oil though. That's weird. Huh. Let me shut it down. I'm gonna double check the oil level. That's weird. Let's let it all settle. I'll check back in with you guys. So it was weird. The oil level light was on, so I went and checked it, and like I thought that to begin with the oil level was good, and then it just shut off. So I don't know. Maybe it just hadn't been run today. Oh, the top works. Nice. Top works freaking perfect. Oh man, I want to have one of these for myself so bad. Oh yeah, dude, she fucking works perfect. Oh man. AC's cold. Got an SES light, which isn't good, but it's not a check engine light. Video works. Dude. We've got some steering wheel issues, you know, but typical stuff. This thing is so sick, bro. It's crazy. Look at the freaking shift knob's all worn. Just small stuff in my world, you know. Nothing to me. I love driving these cars too. I've driven one other manual E46 M3 and then one SMG. And the SMG cars just never really do it for me, honestly. You know. Fucking shift knob just came right off when I tried to pop second in the fucking car. That's weird. Why the fuck does that come off? Huh. Normally you just stick them right on. This is a fucking one-way, you idiot. Doing? Jesus Christ. These people in this fucking lot are idiots. That's one of the greatest things about being a dealer. That's one of the funniest things about being a dealer is that half of these people are not car guys. They don't have any freaking sense of anything, and they don't like cars. They're not into cars, and they sell cars. It's like, what the freaking hell are you guys doing? You know? It's like selling freaking technology and not even liking technology. It's like, it doesn't make any sense. Go find something you guys like to do and then sell it, you know, or go find something that like relates to you. Don't sell something just because it's a commodity and people need it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just so counterintuitive. It doesn't make any sense to me. It's like, I don't know. It's like selling boats and not like boat, and you don't like boating. It's like, what the hell are you doing? You know? So I'm gonna drive this thing around a little bit, and then we'll come back. I'm gonna show you guys some shots of the car, and then we're gonna talk through it. But this thing is so sick. So sick, but I need some moments to enjoy it by myself. All right, so I've had this car running for a little bit, and I've been driving it around and stuff, and dude, this thing is freaking nice. It doesn't miss a beat. You know, it's got some issues like inside of the top. The plastic rails have broken, so now this stuff's all fallen, like inside of here, right? Wear on the shift knob, wear on the steering wheel. Seat's got a freaking crack in it here. Or not necessarily crack, but it's losing its stitching. And the same thing was happening on my ZHP. The armrest obviously is shot. But the seats overall are decent. And then if you look at the back window here, you're missing, the car is missing that cover for the back of the headrest there too. But as far as like overall condition outside, very, very nice. Very, very clean, very tidy. The door panels are nice. The car runs and drives perfectly. It does not miss a beat whatsoever, which is crazy, you know, because I mean the S54 is not necessarily the easiest thing in the world to take care of, you know, but this thing is just, dude, it's money, bro. It's money, bro. I've always wanted one of these. Like I get that the E46 M3, the one that everybody wants, is a coupe, and I have a coupe M3 E36, and I get it, you know, I get why people want them, but I love verts too. I love dropping the top, dude. And just to drop the top, rip it in Florida, freaking the 6-speed, you know what I'm saying? The car's just singing while you're driving around, dude. It's the quintessential Florida car, dude. It really is. It's crazy. It's crazy this thing is even here. Little bit of condensation in there, but nothing crazy. No real bad back pressure, so you know that the rings are all good. Motor sounds good. Whole thing's healthy. Dude, I love these cars, bro. I just love the shape of them. Like, look at that profile of it, you know? They're like 4 or 5 inches wider, I think, than a factory E46 non-M, you know? And just, I love the way the arches look. Just the cars are beautiful. Know what I'm saying? They're so well done. It's crazy. And to me, like, I know that the E90 M3 is fun to drive and everything, but like, this is the pinnacle of M3s for me. 6-speed, straight 6, tuned out, freaking ITBs, everything you'd ever want. Like, just the perfect car, dude. The perfect car. So we'll see if we can take a stab at this thing tomorrow. You know, I'm gonna pull out all the stops to try to freaking take this one home. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I'm not gonna get overly excited because there may be somebody out there that wants it more than me, but like, I'm not gonna overpay for it, you know, just because it's here. But dude, man, just reinforces the fact that I love these freaking cars. I really do. Like, they are so good. They're so good. They're so well done. It was so, like, they're timeless, and they're just gonna get better from, like, it's just gonna get more, they're gonna appreciate more from here. Hopefully the market does cool down a little bit and I'll be able to pick one up, but I would sell my Astoral Blue to buy one of these. I would sell it, and I would not regret it. You know what I'm saying? I would just enjoy this car every freaking day. Go out in it, hang out, do my thing. It's just such a beautiful ride, man. I can't believe it's even here. I love when I really love when I get the opportunities to drive these things, because they're awesome, you know? And it's like, I have an M3 coupe already, but one of the cars I missed most from last year was from this year rather, I think I sold it this year, was that black ZHP convertible I had. I had so much fun in that car. So much fun just running around town in it, hanging out. It was just the perfect beach car. It was the perfect freaking Friday night car. It was awesome. And this car would fill that void really, really well. So, oh man, gotta try to take a stab. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the video up here, and let me know if you guys like this style of video. I like to go through and highlight the whole auction, you know, I do, but I also like to just find one car, and I like to highlight that car and tell you guys what I like about it and why I like that car, so on and so forth. And I think that both have good styles, but I like to know what you guys think. So go ahead and drop a comment down below. Like the video if you want to. That's awesome. And I really do appreciate you guys. We're at 1,000 subs, and we're gonna keep growing from here. And it really makes me happy. I'm almost done with the E30. That video is about wrapped up on the second or third installment of that one, and that should be running here this week, and that'll be all wrapped up too. So thank you guys very much for watching. If you've watched this far, peace out, my dogs, and I hope you guys have a great and productive rest of your day. All right, see ya.